we covered very clearly about git diff command. Almost multiple combinations we covered, sir. Okay, working directory, how to compare working directory content with staging area content, working directory content with local repository, local repository content, local repository contains. Okay, like sir, we covered multiple combinations, almost around 10 combinations we covered very clearly, right? Sir, now all these differences, sir, we are seeing by executing a command. The results also we are seeing on the terminal. So if the results it is showing on some GUI screen, then definitely we can feel very comfortable, okay, to identify difference very easily. We can identify the differences, right? Okay, like sir, do you have any UI tool, GUI tool is available, GUI tool available for checking differences, checking differences or not? Yes. Okay, with the git we can configure GUI tool also, okay, to check differences, right? So what that which tools are available, how you can use these tools, let me talk about, sir. So our topic is visual tool for checking differences. Okay, like for checking differences, visual tool, right? There are multiple differences are available, multiple tools are available, friends. Okay, like the first tool, there is one tool is there, Helix visual merge tool, Helix visual merge tool, Helix visual merge tool, which was earlier the name was p4merge. Okay, Helix visual merge tool is there. Next, and after that, meld tool is there, etc. There are multiple tools are available. Okay, happily we can use these tools with our git. Okay, so to see the difference in the content by using some GUI screens. Okay, how you can do, how you can install this part, I will take care, sir. Sir, what is the first tool? Can you please spell out? Sir, if you work with the first, if you work with one tool, then tomorrow, if you require to work on any tool, very easily, you can work, no problem at all, because all these tools main purpose is always the same. Can you please spell out what is the first tool? What the first tool, sir? P4. I respond. Why you are silent? What is the first tool? Can you please spell out? P4 merge. Okay, sir. Why the word merge? Okay, like why the word merge? Like, have you ever heard about branch concept in our Git? Of course, not yet covered. Just in the last sessions, I may use very briefly. Okay, branching concept is there by default. By default, Git always contain one default branch. What is that default branch, sir? Master branch. Remember this one, sir. By default, Git always contain one branch, master branch. So if you want to work with some extended features, enhanced features, yes, you can create a new branch. In that, happily you can work, no problem at all. Okay, now this is the master branch. Assume that this is the test branch. Okay, like sir, now this test branch, after completing the work, I have to merge this branch with the master branch. Okay, after merging, now I can delete this branch. Have you observed, right? So we have to merge this test branch with the master branch. Okay, in the branching concept, merge operation is the very common operation for that merging also. So this p4 merge is going to be helpful. That's why the word p4 merge. Okay, like so it acts as merge tool, as well as it acts as merge tool as well as diff tool also. Okay, like so what is the p4 merge? How many purposes we can use, sir? It acts as a merge tool as well as for diff tool. So just now we will use this tool, sir, as a diff tool. But once a branching concept is going to be started, I will explain how you can use for merging purpose also. Any doubt? Is it clear for you people, right? Okay, well, next, sir, do you know why the word merge? It is clear. Again, I'm asking, what is the P? What is the P? P4, P4 merge. What is the P, sir? Sir, do you know? Can you please spell out some version control systems which were already there? Have you remembered? Two types of version control systems are there: centralized and then distributed. Our Git is the distributed, but for centralized, there are multiple version control system tools. VCS tools are available. Any tool? Can you please tell? SVN. Yes, yeah, SVN we covered. Next, I mean, we use the word CVS. Next, the clear case. Have you remembered clear case? Next, I hope you people may heard about purpose. Purpose, like somewhere I used the word purpose. Purpose is sir version control tool. Okay, version control tool which is the centralized. Okay, like now, do you know p4merge from purpose? Okay, p4merge from purpose. That's why. So here just observe carefully, right? Sir, purpose for merging. So for merging purpose from purpose is nothing but P4 merge tool. I hope why the word P, why the word merge. Okay, is that clear, right? Purpose for merging purpose. Okay, so this tool can be used for merging purpose. So this tool is from where, sir? Purpose. That's why they're always using the word P4. Okay, like have you observed something like Gmail? Gmail. Okay, this is the mail service from Google. Okay, this is the mail service from Google, something like okay, like p4 merge tool. Of course it acts as a merge tool as well as it acts as a diff tool also. Of course here in the future how it is going to act as merge tool we will discuss, but now we will restrict it to diff tool purpose sake only we will use. Up to this, any doubt? Can you please confirm? Yes, friends. Everyone in the position to understand what the concept we are going to discuss. Next and after that, which tool we are going to discuss. What is the tool name? Sir, who is the vendor? Vendor from which vendor this tool came? Okay, like next, how to download? How to download and install this p4merge? Okay, p4merge tool. How you can download and install p4merge tool, sir? Very simple. Okay, what I will do is, sir, just how I told, p4merge tool is from which vendor? Please confirm. Don't be silent. From which vendor p4merge tool is from which vendor? Can you please confirm? Purpose. Okay, like sir, purpose. But okay, just purpose. Okay, now here very simple, sir. Just what you can do is https colon okay purpose www. Of course here just you can take purpose.com. Okay, this is the website. Let me go to that. Okay, now here let me go to this one purpose.com. Okay, purpose software development, something like this is the official website of the purpose. Okay, like now here are you seeing somewhere downloads? Okay, like yes, downloads. Okay, in the downloads, okay, just if you observe that there are multiple tools are available, sir. Helix team hub CLI, Helix admin tool p4 admin. Okay, Helix visual merge tool, visual client, something like multiple tools are there. But anyway, sir, have you observed which tool we required? I hope you can see which tool we required. I hope you can see Helix visual merge tool. Okay, p4merge is a three-way merging and side by side, something like sir. Here let me, sir, go to this one. I have to download. Okay, this tool. Now observe carefully, right? Okay, sir, in that, okay, now for which platform you require? Okay, for which platform you require, you have to select. Okay, now for Windows platform, Linux, Mac, like it's going to provide three platform support. Windows, next and after that Windows 64-bit or 86, maybe this one actually 32-bit 64-bit is there. What is the 86-bit? 86. What is the x86? Anyone aware? Maybe the next level. Respond. Anyone? Windows 64, okay. Windows x86 means what? 32-bit? Yes, Ketan. Is the 32-bit is also considered as x86? Okay. Yeah. Okay, maybe it is the 32-bit. Okay, sir, X my 64-bit like next, and after that here download. That's all. Just download. Download p4merge. It is asking for registration, like, okay, you have to provide full name, last name, email address, and so on. As of now, no, skip registration. Okay, no problem. We have the facility to skip registration also. Okay, thank you. Your download has begun. Okay, have you observed, right? Now I hope you can see. Okay, my download. You can see my download, right? Okay, well, yes, download is going to be completed. It's a very lightweight. Don't worry at all. Okay, now, yeah, it is completed, it seems. Now show in folder. Show in folder. Okay, like just let me take a copy, and here just I'm trying to take. That's all. Here have you observed? It is already there with me. It's already there with me. Okay, just for my trial sake, I use this one. Okay, anyway, both are same. So what is the name of the exe file we got? Just observe this one, sir. This is Windows installer. This is the name. Okay, .exe file we got. Sir, very simple. Just install this one. Click next, next, next. Beyond that, nothing, sir. Okay, sir, click. Okay, but here one small setting, just we can use. 1 minute, 1 minute. Run, observe carefully. Okay, here p4 win st64. Okay, it is telling repair, uninstall, modify. Okay, like sir, actually in my system it is already there. That's why it is asking uninstall. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. We uninstalled already. Then what I can use? Repair. Let me repair. Okay, please close any Helix core applications. Repair, something like it is asking for prepare. Sir, here whenever you are installing, just please make sure, sir, it is going to provide multiple tools. Okay, just at the time of installation, so you have to choose. We are not required, so multiple tools from this installation we require, sir. We have to select the only merge and the diff tool. We have to select only merge and the diff tool. Just whenever you are installing, so it will provide multiple tools. Yes, you have to select. This is the third select. This is the select option, it seems. Okay, merge and the diff tool you have to select. Let me consider. Okay, it may take some time. Just instead of repair, just I choose the uninstalling again. So what will happen? We will check. Yes, here core apps has been successfully removed. Exit. Okay, so from my system it is uninstalled completely. Let me take again. Let me just click p4. Okay, like again. Now observe that run. Yeah, good. Now observe that here multiple tools it is showing, sir. Have you observed? Helix visual client, merge and diff tool, p4merge, administration tool, command line client. Okay, all these tools I don't want. I want only, okay, merge tool. Have you observed, right? Can you please observe? Are you in the position to see, right? Okay, here I selected only merge under diff tool. Okay, merge under diff tool is a clear. This is what I told. Okay, next, 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 and after that install. Okay, like it may take some time. Yes, it will take some time. It will take some time. Okay, so now observe successfully installed applications p4merge. It will take 2 to 3 minutes time. Don't worry, sir. So here just in the recording in this video, just I paused my recording. That's why immediately it is completed. Like you may feel it is taking some 2 to 3 minutes. Sometimes it may take 5 minutes also. Don't worry. Okay. Exit. Okay. Now, sir, very good news, important news is yes, in my system, yes, P4 merge is ready, right? But here, just observe that. Let me go for okay, P4 merge. Are you seeing anywhere P4 merge app? It is showing. Okay, let me click this one. Let me click that. 1 minute. Yes. Okay. Choose the files to see the difference. Choose the files to differ. Sir, what is the first file, second file, something like it is asking. Okay. Well, excellent. But with the Git, how you can use that part, I will take care. Okay. Like, but here, okay, it is there, sir. Now my question is, observe carefully, sir. All our practice we did from the Git bash, right? Okay. Let me check from the Git bash. Let me go to my location. Okay, cd d drive. Next and after that git projects. Next and after that cd project 4, right? What is the last project we completed, sir? Project 4. Okay, like now here my requirement is, sir, let me here just my requirement is, let me use p4 merge. Okay, p4 merge command I'm using, sir. Sir, take very special care. Is the p4 merge command, is it going to be recognized or not? Okay, have a look once. What it is telling, sir, can you please observe? So p4 merge tool is available in your system, but p4 merge tool is available in your system. But the problem here is, so this is this from the command prompt, you can't invoke from bash shell or command prompt or PowerShell. You can't invoke, sir, this one. What may be the problem? Okay, so what we have to do, can you please guess, anyone? What we require to do, sir? Okay, if you want to invoke any command from the command prompt in my system, even though that software is there, but still it is not. What is the reason is, you have to set a path. Remember this one, you require to set a path compulsory. We have to set the path. Okay, 1 minute, sir. In my computer, okay, in my computer, where it is installed, sir? Maybe C drive. Okay, maybe C drive. In the C drive, are you seeing anywhere program files? Okay, sir, here are you seeing purports? Okay, just observe this a bit carefully, right? Okay, here, if you observe my location, okay, this PC, okay, local disk C program files and purports, here we have p4merge.exe file is there. Okay, you have to set this location to the path, then only you can use p4merge from the command prompt. Is it clear for all of you, right? Okay, something like the people who are coming from Java background. Okay, you require to set a path, then only Java C commands will work from command prompt. Okay, like we require to set. But how you can set this location, how you can set this location to the, okay, path? Very simple, sir. In the Windows, how you can do that, it's very clear, sir. Okay, this PC properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. Okay, like environment variables. Now path, there is already there, path already there in the system variables, path is already there. Edit. Okay, now here what I want to take here is just new. Let me add new. Sir, which path you want to add? Already I selected, right? Can you please observe carefully? Sir, already I selected. Can you please observe? C colon program files purpose. C colon program files purpose. Okay, added. Okay, sir. Okay, like you have to. That's all. Now let me restart my bash. Okay, here just let me open again bash shell. Okay, like now here cd d drive, cd git projects. Okay, like cd project 4. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Yes, now what is the command? p4 merge. We are using. Yes, now the tool is going to open or not? Yes, perfect. So from the bash you can access this tool. Any doubt about this one? Please confirm. Up to this is the clear for all of you, right? So it's a simple. So you have to install and then set the path. Okay, well, now I have to use this tool. I require to use this tool with the git. Okay, how to configure, very important, sir. How to configure p4merge with the git. Okay, I have to attach this p4merge tool with the git. How you can do that? This is a very important, sir. Okay, like so p4merge can be used for which purpose? Can you please tell? For how many purposes we can use here? Two purposes. One is for diff, second one is for merging purpose, right? So for diff tool configuration, for the diff, as a diff tool configuration, what I want to take, sir. Okay, just observe that. I want to configure for the diff tool configuration. How you can do is git config. Somewhere we covered, right? In the git, if you want to configure anything, git config command we require to use username, email. Have you remembered at our childhood somewhere we covered username, email? Okay, like same git config hyphen global, because I required for all the projects, for all repositories in my git. Okay, global. Okay, now diff data tool, diff data tool p4merge. You require to use this one. Array, just the boss. So if diff tool I configure p4merge as the diff tool. Okay, first thing. Second command here is just observe carefully, right? Okay, diff tool. Sir, here just take a bit very special care. Diff tool, sir, dot p4merge diff tool data p4merge data path. Sir, where it is available in my system, where it is available in my system, whenever we are using diff tool p4merge, diff tool p4merge, which exe file is required to execute? Can you please spell out? In this location there is a exe file is available. Have you remembered, right? What is that exe file? p4merge.exe, p4merge.exe. Okay, this file is available, right? Okay, now I have to specify here. Okay, like in this location p4merge.exe we have to specify. Okay, like sir, whenever we are using diff tool, can you please execute internally? Okay, this tool, can you please execute internally? This tool we have to specify. Okay, like sir, this is the second. Next, every time whenever we are using git diff tool, immediately it's going to open. Do you want to use p4merge? Do you want to use p4merge? Something like I don't want to ask alert. I don't want to prompt message. Like what I have to take is git config hyphen global. Okay, diff tool dot prompt diff tool dot prompt false we are taking. Okay, just I'm telling that array don't ask to open p4merge. Do you want to open p4merge? Every time it's asking, don't. You are not required to prompt. Open directly p4merge tool. That's what I'm telling. Yes, are you seeing, right? So I configured p4merge. Whenever we are using p4merge, internally which command is required to execute. Next and after that, don't ask for any prompt. Okay, like any doubt about this? I respond. So these are attaching, okay, p4merge with our git. Remember, okay, like just let me execute these commands directly. These commands, right, from the terminal, from the bash. Okay, now all the three commands completed. Okay, well, sir, now the next thing what I want to take here is, sir, observe carefully, right? Sir, here this is the git config like git tool configuration. Similarly, merge tool configuration also maybe in the future I may use. That's why just now only let me configure. Don't worry at all, merge tool configuration also, because it's a very easy, sir. Okay, everything is the same. Everything is the same. Sir, for merge tool configuration also, instead of diff, what I require to use, sir, merge tool, nothing, sir. Sir, here, instead of diff, we require to use merge tool. Okay, like, sir, the same tool, right? Okay, merge tool, that prompt, like, that's all, same thing. Let me execute these things also. Okay, like, now, here, observe that carefully. Okay, yes, all the commands one by one got executed. Now, which configurations are there? I want to evaluate, sir. What are various? Is really these configurations got set or not? Yes, how you can take is git config -hyphen list. Have you remembered, right? Somewhere we used this command. Hey, after configuring username and the email, whether really these two things got set or not, we use this command git config -hyphen list. Sir, let me print global configurations. Okay, local configurations I don't want, global configurations only. Like, you can use -hyphen global also. Okay, well, sir, are you in the position to understand, right? Can you please confirm? Can you please confirm in that my required things are there or not? Name, Ravi, email, next and after the core, yes, diff tool is equal to p4merge. Next and after that diff tool p4merge path, like, next and after that merge tool, like, yes, our configurations got set perfect. Okay, like, now, so up to this, what we did, sir. Okay, now it's a very clear, sir. We downloaded p4merge. Okay, p4merge. Next and after that we install. Next and after that we set a path. Next we attached this tool with the git. Yes, up to this clear, right? Any explanation is required? Respond. Can you please confirm? Yes, friends, is it clear for all of you, right? Any explanation is required? Okay, that's all. Now, sir, let me go for our previous example. I hope you may aware our previous example, sir. Git status, let me take. Yeah, excellent. Sir, here there is a modified file file1.txt, and it is staged already there, but it is not committed. Staged is already there, but it's not committed. Like, let me take git log hyphen one line. How many sir commits are there? Only two commits are there. Only two commits are there, sir. What I want to take here is git sir, 1 minute here. Just let me here, what I want to take is, let me open let me cat file1.txt. Let me see the content. Cat file1.txt. Okay, sir, that's all. 6 lines are there in the current working directory. 6 lines are there, sir. Okay, well, next, cat file2.txt. How many lines are there? Only 4 lines are there. Perfect. Okay, let me add everything. Get add dot. Okay, git commit -m, git add -m. Okay, file1 contains how many lines? Respond. Contains how many lines? Contains 6 lines. And file2 contain 4 lines. File2 contain 4 lines. Okay, like, I take committed, right? Okay, well, sir, up to this is the clear for you people. Nothing will be there. Have you remembered, right? Yes, respond. So up to this is the clear. Now let me add the vi file1.txt. Let me add one more line. Okay, let me add one more line, sir. Here, just the seventh line in file1.txt. Seventh line in file1.txt. Okay, like, I'm taking, sir. Okay, wq. Now let me add this one. Git add file1.txt. file1.txt. Okay, that's all. Now added. Sir, next, sir, now observe this. Sir, in the here, 1 minute for easy understanding sake. Okay, here just have a look once about this terminology, friends. Okay, here my requirement is, observe carefully, right? Sir, this is working directory, local repository, I mean staging area, and then local repository. So staging local repository, file1 contain how many lines are there? Please confirm. File1 file 1 contain how many lines, right? 6 lines. 6 lines. Recent commit. 6 lines are there. 6 lines are there. Next, file 2 contain. File 2 contain. Okay. File 2 contain how many lines are there? Only 4 lines. Only 4 lines are there, sir. Okay, well. But here, file 1 contain how many lines? Sir, 7 lines are there. Because I added, right? 7 lines are there here. Next, let me add one more line. Sir, file1.txt. Let me add one more line. Here, what I'm trying to take is, sir, 8th line. Okay, 8th line. 8th line. Okay, in file1.txt. Something like I'm taking, sir. Sir, here just observe that carefully. Okay, so now my working directory contain how many lines, right? Sir, 8 lines are there, file 1. Okay, well, file 1 contain 8 lines are there. Yeah, that's all. Now, here I want to check, sir, I want to compare working directory and the staging area. Yes, assume that this is the working directory and this one. Okay, this is the working directory and this is the staging area. This is the staging area and this one is the local repo. Okay, like I want to compare these two things. These two things I want to compare, sir. Can you please confirm what is the command we require to use? Okay, respond. What the command we require to use? Git def file1.txt. That's all. Correct, right? Git def file1.txt. Now have a look once, sir. Yeah, git def file1.txt. Okay, perfect. The working directory contain one line extra when compared with the staged copy. Okay, it's working, sir. This is what we covered in the last session. But now how you can use git diff tool, sir? Very simple. Command is always the same. Git diff tool is the command we have to use. Yes, have you observed, sir? Git command is always same. Only difference is instead of diff you require to use what? Diff tool. Is it clear for all of you, right? Instead of git we require to use what? Git diff tool. Beyond that, nothing, sir. Okay, now have a look once, sir. Git diff tool file1.txt. Yes, observe that. Observe carefully. 1 minute. Yes, here. Yes, are you seeing the GUI screen or not? Yes, friends, are you seeing the GUI screen or not? Yes. Okay, here just 8th line. Okay, this is a staging area. Okay, this one is what? Working directory. Which line extra is there, sir? This is the line extra is there. Okay, like now if you want yes, now if you want here edit these kind of options also there. Okay, like sir, here, sir, I want to edit. Here have you observed, right? Edit file in the right panel. Okay, edit file in the left panel. If you want, you can edit also. That's why if tomorrow merge conflicts are there, if you want, you can remove the content, no problem at all. Especially editing is possible. After edit you can save. Such type of facilities also there. Okay, in this tool. Any doubt? Clear, right? How it's going to work? Okay, well, now my requirement is I want to see the difference between staging area or working directory and last commit versus last commit. I want to do that, sir. Staging directory, sorry, working directory versus last commit. What the command? I respond. Git def if what the command we require to use? Head means the most recent commit. Okay, file1.txt. So working copy and last commit, how many lines difference is there? Can you please observe? Working copy contain 8 lines, but this last commit contain file 1 contain only 6 lines. Only 6 lines. Okay, like now here let me consider this command, sir. Okay, just normal git diff command I'm using, sir. Yes, 2 lines extra is there, sir. Now what I'm trying to take is same command with the tool. Git diff tool Okay, like I'm using same command diff tool. Okay, like I'm trying to use a same command tool. Okay, like now observe the difference, right? Okay, now observe that how many lines extra is there? Okay, 2 lines extra. 2 lines extra is there, sir. Okay, like are you feeling comfortable? I respond. Are you feeling comfortable, right? Okay. Tomorrow, if you require to work with any other visual tool, array concept is the same. Nothing will be there, sir. Meld tool also having the same GUI only. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, suppose here my requirement is between two commits. Between two commits. Two commits. I want to know the difference, right? Between two commits, what is the difference? Okay. First, how many commits are there? Let me find. Okay, how many commits are there? Okay, let me find here. 1 minute. Let me close this tool. Okay, yeah. Now observe that git log hyphen one line. Maybe 4 commits are there. Okay, 3 commits only. Maybe how many commits are there? Only 3 commits. Only 3 commits are there, sir. Okay, commit message is also there for us. Just observe that. Okay, here each file contains 2 lines, but here each file one contains 6 lines. File one contains 6 lines. Okay, let me check the difference between this one and this one. Okay, sir, get def. Okay, now I'm trying to take. Okay, this is the first commit and this is the next commit, source commit and the destination commit with respect to file1.txt. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. Yes, here what will happen is, yes, observe carefully, right? Yes, so how many lines extra? 4 lines extra, because first commit file contain only 2 lines, but last commit file contain how many commits, right? Four. How many lines are there? 6 lines are there. Now I hope you can see the difference, right? 6 lines are there. Okay, like so the same thing let me use by using git diff tool. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. If I can take like what is the answer by default we are going to get? Just observe that. Just observe. First one and second one, what is the difference? Are you seeing, right? First one and second one, what is the difference? Difference, like suppose let me interchange these arguments. Okay, I want to interchange these two things. Source and the destination, there is a difference. Now, are in the source 6 lines are there, but in the destination only 2 lines are there. Now, how it is going to show the difference, right? Okay. Now here, let me close. Let me open git bash. Sorry, let me open git bash. Here, let me check this command. What the answer we are going to get? Just observe that. Source contain these lines. Source contain these lines, but here destination contain only 2 lines. Are you seeing the difference? Are you seeing the difference, right? Yes, friends. Yes, head tilde one, such type of options also. Every option whatever we covered with the git def, all those things are going to work. Okay, like next, there is one small doubt is there for most of the people. Suppose if I'm not using file one, what will happen? Can you please confirm? If I'm not using file one, what will happen? It will show, it will show all differences. It will show all differences, correct, right? In the file one, this difference is there. In the file two, this difference is there. Like it will show all differences, right? Okay. Sir, here only one difference, because there is no difference in the file two. Yeah. Here file two content is always the same, it seems. No. Okay, there is a difference in their file one content. There is a difference in their file two content also. It's a clear, sir. Now my question is, for the same, let me use a git def tool. The get def tool. How many file differences it has to show? How many file differences it has to show? Can you please confirm? Respond. 2. Now let me execute this one. Okay, excellent. Now let me execute this one. Here, observe carefully about this. Okay, what the answer we are getting, sir? Okay, only one file. It always talks about file one only. Okay, where is the file two? Yes, by using this visual tool, at a time it will show only one file. Now, because you may require to edit the content, right? You may require to edit the content, right? That's why it is always going to show only one file, not for multiple files. Okay, just usually you will identify what the content. If you want to add something, if you want to remove something, such type of cases, this one is going to be helpful. That's why. So by using this visual tool, you can see only one file at a time, but not all file differences. Clear? This is a small, it is not limitation. That is the basic purpose. Okay. Show file one in the working directory in the staged area. Okay. In the staged area, I don't want these things. Assume that I don't want these things. Okay. Edit in the right panel. Edit in the right panel. Okay. Now you can remove these lines. Okay. Something like you can do that. So if merge conflicts are there, then you require to edit. You require to edit. That's why it's always going to show only one file at a time. Any doubt about these things? Respond, friends. Okay. Are you seeing clearly, right? Okay, that's all. This is about how you can use merge tool, p4merge tool, okay, for differentiation sake, to see the differences between the content. Sir, you can, whatever commands we covered in the last, happily you can use all those commands. There is no problem at all. Suppose working directory, working directory versus first commit, sir, first commit. Can you please tell by using git def tool what I have to take? Okay, git def tool, git def tool. Okay, sir, working directory with the first commit. First commit means this one. Have you observed? First commit means this one, sir. This one. Okay, git def tool. Okay, now file one dot txt. Okay, now have a look once. First commit, not head. First commit I'm taking, not last commit, Manish. Okay, yes, observe that. Okay, it is going to show working directory contain 8 lines, but the first commit contain only 2 lines. First commit contain only 2 lines, but working directory contain 8 lines. Remember that carefully, right? Okay, well, sir, last commit, okay, and working directory. What is the way? Last commit and working directory, maybe 2 lines extra, maybe 2 lines extra. Okay, 2 lines extra, correct? I showed already, right? Now staging area versus first commit, staging area versus first commit. Okay, like how you can do that, sir? Very simple, very simple, sir. Get def tool hyphen staged. What is the first commit, sir? What is the first commit? Okay, this one, or the first commit, this one about file one.txt. Okay, like sir, now here just observe carefully about this one. Yes, first commit and staged area. In the staged area we have only seventh line. In the staged area we have only seventh line, up to seventh line only, but first commit contain only 2 lines. Suppose if I consider file2.txt, file2.txt, what the difference, right? So what the difference with respect to file2.txt? Let me take file2.txt. What the difference, right? Okay, very simple. File2.txt, here only 2 lines are there in the first command, but now in the staged area 4 lines are available. Yes, everyone in the position to understand, right? How you can use git diff tool. Sir, which tool we use it, sir? p4merge. Okay, if you want you can use some other tools also, because multiple tools are available. Sir, some people are going to use the word array git, why don't you use UI tools? Don't keep your face with the question mark. We can use for to resolve merge conflicts, for merging purpose. Next, to check the differences, happily you can attach multiple UI tools for the git. There is no problem at all. That's what you people should aware clearly, right? Any doubt up to this? Clear? Okay,